What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught the video yesterday where we loaded up our 2021 onto our dually for the first time, man. That freaking bed is huge as heck. So driving that thing around is like literally smooth as heck compared to what we've been used to. So I can't wait to get the first real ride in on that dually with the bike on the back, man. Now you guys did see we completed off our 2017 Road Glide. We did finally get the wheel back and stuff, man. So that's a plus. The only thing we're waiting on now is the paint set for our new Road Glide along with our 131. Now our 131 is still on its way. It's still gonna take a few weeks or so, man. So hoping within the next couple days we should know a better time frame on that. But furthermore, man, the paint set should be done in a couple days. So I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Usually I will be out here working on one of these bikes or something, man, but today's video is a little bit different of a video. I'm about to show you some of the behind the scenes that goes on with like selling products and just the whole business side of everything, because you guys see literally only a quarter of it. I literally do like 10 people jobs, man. So you guys are gonna hang with me today, package up some packages, man, get this stuff shipped out, because if you guys haven't realized, man, I got that blue Everything's Regular hat on. Ooh, look at the brim, the suede and everything on that joint, man. That thing looks sick. If you guys haven't entered for a chance to win the big one, I'm giving away my 2021 Road Glide with the Built 124 paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor back there. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2017 Road Glide right here in the candy apple red on that 23 thing, looking so fly and divine. Man, that's just second place. And for the first time ever, man, we got third place. And not only third place, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pop's 2013 Road Glide with all the bells and whistles, literally over $40,000 in parts alone, man. So, man, the time is now. If you guys never entered, we got more prizes than ever. So now may be your time to shine, man. If you guys haven't entered for a chance to win, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are more than halfway sold out. It is almost time to get this show started, man. So get in while you can, because once it's gone, man. I can't wait. Meanwhile, let's get this day started, man, because we got a lot of things to do, dog. Alrighty, guys, man. We have been waiting on this for freaking ever. Now it's time to shine. FedEx just showed up. It's game time?
Game time?
It's game time. You gotta get to work, huh? What? Say get to work.
Is it give me work?
Yeah, we gotta get to work. So these is our packages. Let's bring them in the house and I'll show you. Here we are, guys. We got 2 cases of these bad boys. Brand new Everything's Regular hats. Let me pull one out so we can see it. All right, so we got Mama down here. We have our hats right here. Woo, look at that thing with the beautiful suede on that joint. Man, I want you guys to do one thing and one thing only. Have your vision exist. That's for sure, man. Everything's Regular was all just an idea. Now it's a freaking huge brand. I'm gonna show you how to ship out your brand and get your brand that much more organized. If you don't know how to ship stuff, this will be the video for you. If you want to learn how to ship stuff, this will be the video for you. Packaging and everything, shipping out from start to finish, this will be the video for you, man. All right, so first things first, guys. You got your hat, you got your scale, you got your packaging right here, man. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much put your product inside of your packaging. So when you get your package packaged up, you just set that bad boy on there, square that bad boy off. And we're at 3.9 ounces. So you're gonna use 3.9 ounces, and then this casing is 9.5 by like 14. So you'll input those into your shipping database, and that's how you'll calculate your products with just one item in there. Some items may have more items in there. You would just calculate going off what you have to do personally. Then after that, you just put your sticker on there. So that's a plus. This one is headed off to New Zealand. Got the packaging on there ready to go. And once you do that, you just toss that to the side, and that's one out the way, man. Alrighty, guys, so after you find out how much your stuff weighs and everything, you input your stuff into the printer system and you start printing out your labels for all your other packaging, man. So we got packaging right here ready to go, and we got packaging right here ready to go. So now it's just a matter of packaging up all our hats, getting them in those, and then putting the labels on them and getting them to the post office. All right, like 30 minutes later, I ain't gonna hold you. We got all our like single labels. We got our packages that's packaged up already. Now these are unlabeled, but they're all got the same product. So now if you got like 2 products, you'll get them mixed up. So that's why I got all the products that was like more than one already packaged up and out the way. So now you got all single products on the floor. So labeling those things, you won't get confused. Everything is the same thing. So they all get the same tag. So halfway there, not even halfway there, just like starting to put a dent in it or get something done rather, but we definitely got a long way to go. Alrighty guys, checking in. We got some coverage covered. I ain't gonna hold you. Been getting to work. Been getting to work, man. Still got a freaking lot to go. But once these is packaged up, man, we can get everything to the post office and be good to go, man. But y'all see it here. It can get crazy in here. But you guys see it, man. I can't wait. That thing looks amazing. Alright, y'all. Hours later, man. Standing in a room full of it. Literally a lot of packages. But should be good to go. Just gotta add these shipping labels to these packages right here. We should be good to go after that. This is like the halfway line, I guess you can say. But just gotta add the labels to all those and we can start getting these things to the post office, man. That's the real task, is getting them from here to there. Just like that, man, we got everything packaged up. Got stuff way back there. Everywhere, man. Now, usually I would just take this right to USPS, but it's already like 5:13, man. So by the time I load this stuff up and get it in the truck, it's gonna be like closing time at USPS. So we're gonna have to take this thing first thing in the AM. But we were working today, man. Alrighty, guys. Next morning, man, we are about to freaking load this car up and get these packages out of here, man. That's just like the hardest, not even the hardest part, but just like the most like important part, man. We got to get everything in the car, make sure no labels fall off or nothing like that. Get them to the post office, get them loaded up into there. Depending on how many available carts they got, you know, you never know how busy it may be up there. So this is like the most hardest part, honestly. Packaging and all that is not that bad. It's getting them to the actual final destination. So we're about to pull the Raptor up because we do have the tonneau cover on the Raptor, so we can put a bunch of stuff back there. Would take the dually, but we don't have a cover for the back end of that. So I'm gonna load them up in the Raptor. We'll get them all there and good to go. So now I was gonna do the Raptor, but I'm like, I couldn't even find the little freaking key to roll that tonneau cover back. So big 8-foot bed it is, man. Got all the packages back here. Now I don't gotta go too far and it's not windy out, so we're good there. However, if we take a peek at the inside, the whole back seat filled up, the whole bed is filled up, ready to go. Can't wait, man. Let's get to this post office and see if we can get this stuff delivered and out of here. And I did throw like a blanket over there just to protect everybody's orders, man, because I can't do y'all like that. I can't have one fly out on the freeway, man. But so I gotta come back, get this garage situated because this thing is like a mess right now. But let's get the hard part out the way. Alrighty, guys, so we just pulled up to the post office now. Usually I would go right through the front door and drop this stuff off and just do multiple trips like that. However, this is the first time I'm actually going to the back of USPS, man. So we're about to head back to the back because it's gonna be easier to offload that way. And we'll get this show on the road, man. I can't wait. I'm about to pull up in this joint and check it out. All right, guys, I'm about to offload this and get back to you in a second. Just like that, guys, we got everything out the truck ready to ship, ready to go. Got them carts filled up. Now, I ain't never been in the back like this before, but it's better than ever this way. Makes it a whole lot simpler and easier, man. Let's see if we can get done though. Just like that, guys, freaking tired as heck, sweating and everything. We have shipped those things out. So if you supported Everything's Regular, man, be on the lookout. Freaking, you should have your Everything's Regular hat in the mail sooner than ever, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Just like that, man, we done made it back to the house. Messy garage and everything, but we will get it in order, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on the behind the scenes over here at Everything's Regular, man. We not only build bikes, put bikes together, take stuff places, transport here and there, man, go everywhere we need to go, do delivery, drops off, packaging, shipping, everything, man. We do it all, man. So never limit yourself, man. Always shoot for the stars, man. Remember, man, to be successful, man, most successful people have multiple streams of income and multiple ways they can make money. So just keep that in mind whenever you're out trying to figure out what you want to do in life. My suggestion is you go out, get a product, and figure out a way to market it. That's the biggest thing I can tell you. Not only that, but believe in yourself and shoot for the stars, man. Because if you don't believe in yourself, man, nobody will. If you don't put your dreams first, man, somebody will hire you to put their dreams first, man. So the choice is up to you. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, just wanted to give you guys a little insight on some behind the scenes action here. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the big one, man, I'm giving away my 2021 Rogue Glide with the Build 124 back there, paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor across the street, man. I'm giving them both away, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing, man. That's just first place alone. We got second place, which is our 2017 Rogue Glide in the candy apple red on that 23-inch Joan, man. I can't wait to ride this thing again. Actually, I might even slide on it today now that I'm talking about it. But for the first time ever, man, we got a third place. And not only a third place, man, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pop's 2013 Rogue Glide with all the bells and whistles, literally over $40,000 in parts alone, man. So it's almost that time to shine, man. If you guys haven't entered, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are more than halfway sold out. Most of the hats and stuff are already shipped out, man. So like I said, if you guys already supported your boy, man, keep a lookout for that tracking number and keep a look out in your mailbox. Meanwhile, we should be going live with the giveaway here pretty soon. So if you guys want to get in, now's the time, because once they're gone, they are gone, man, and I can't wait. So enter in for a chance to win a big one today. If I taught you guys something today or you guys learned something, man, give me a thumbs up, comment below. I appreciate you guys, man. Until the next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.